Welcome back. Today I am going to solve 3 questions which is based on GATE examination 2014 from Electronics and Communication Engineering branch. So the first question is, an unforced linear time invariant system is represented by the state space representation if the initial conditions are x1 0 equals to 1 and x2 0 equals to minus 1, the solution of state equation is option A, option B, option C and option D. Let's see the solution. From the given state equation with initial conditions, the solution of state equation is in Laplace transformation form xs equals to matrix Si minus A inverse x0 plus Si minus A inverse Bu. The first part which is shown here, this is your ZIR, it means zero input response, and the second part which is shown here is known as ZSR, zero state response. This output response is only from the initial conditions and this output is only from input U of S. Since in the given problem there is no input, unforced input means there is no input, it means US equals to 0. So this term is cancelled out, only this term is remaining here. So first we will find the value of Si minus A matrix. So here the value of S, then identity matrix, then value of matrix A. So simply S multiplied by 1 minus minus plus, so S plus 1, same as 0 minus 0 is 0, S multiplied by 0, 0 and minus 0 again 0, and S multiplied by 1 plus 2, so S plus 2. This is your Si minus A matrix. Again I am writing here the Si minus A matrix. So for the solution of state equation we will require Si minus A matrix inverse. So matrix inverse equals to adjoint of the Si minus A matrix divided by the determinant value of Si minus A, which is equals to cofactor of Si minus A, the transpose of the matrix and determinant value of Si minus A. So Si minus A, Si minus A matrix is equals to this transpose divided by determinant value. The transpose is interchange row and column. So simply you will get Si minus A inverse. So this is your Si minus A inverse. So solution is equals to Si minus A inverse multiplied by S0. So this is your Si minus A inverse matrix, and this is your initial conditions x0 which is given 1 and minus 1. So simply you will multiply. So see here the multiplication. Multiplication is S plus 2 multiplied by 1 is S plus 2, 0 multiplied by minus 1 which is 0. So again 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, S plus 1 which is minus S plus 1. So simply we will solve it. S plus 2 divided by the determinant value S plus 1, S plus 2, same as minus S plus 1 divided by the determinant value S plus 1, S plus 2, S plus 2, S plus 2 cancel out, S plus 1, S plus 1 is cancel out. So 1 upon S plus 1 and minus 1 upon S plus 2. Clear by taking the inverse Laplace transformation. X1t and X2t, here t which is equals to e to the power minus t, and second one is minus e to the power minus 2t. So option C is correct. X1t equals to e to the power minus t and X2t equals to e to the power minus 2t. Now I am going to the second problem. The state equation of a second order linear time invariant system is given by differentiation of xt equals to a of xt and x0 equals to x of suffix 0 For x0 is 1 minus 1, the xt equals to e to the power minus t and minus e to the power minus t, and for x0 0 1, the value of xt equals to e to the power minus t minus e to the power minus 2t minus e to the power minus t plus twice of e to the power minus 2t. It means if the initial condition is this, then the value of xt is this, and if the initial condition is this, then the xt is values of this. And when x0 equals to 3 5, then what will be the value of x of t? This is your question. There are 4 options, so let us see the solution. From the given condition, the system is LTI, so we will apply the linearity property, that is x30 equals to a times x10 plus b x20 by using the linearity property, where a and b are the constants. x30 is given 3 5, x10 is given 1 minus 1, and x20 is given 0 1. So we will put the value x30 equals to a times x10 plus b times x20. So simply solve the equation. 3 equals to a plus b0, it means a equals to 3, and 5 equals to minus a plus b, so b equals to 8 by putting the value of a. Therefore x3t equals to, again by linearity property, ax1t plus bx2t. x1t is given, x2t is again given, so by putting the value, x3t equals to the value of a, which is 3, x1t plus the value of b, that is 8, and value of x2t is here, or we will solve it. So the value of x3t equals to 11 e to the power minus t minus 8 e to the power minus 2t and minus 11 e to the power minus t plus 16 e to the power minus 2t. If you will see here, if t equals to 0, it means the coefficient of e to the power minus t equals to 1. It means 11 minus 8, which is equals to 3, and minus 11 plus 16, which is equals to 5, which is equals to x of 3 0 as given in the problem. So this is the answer. So option B is the correct answer. Now the third problem. Consider a linear time invariant system whose state space representation is differentiation of xt equals to a of xt. If the initial state vector of a system x0 is 1 minus 2, then xt equals to e to the power minus 2t and minus of e to the power. If the initial state vector of a system changes to x0 1 minus 1, then the value of xt equals to e to the power minus t and minus e to the power minus t. So in this problem there are two questions, the system matrix A and the eigenvalue and eigenvector pair of the given problem. First you may see here, if t equals to 0, if t equals to 0, it means the e to the power equals to unity and e to the power minus 2t is again unity. So here minus 2 is remaining and 1 is remaining here. So the x0 is this, same as the in second condition, e to the power minus t. If t equals to 0, this equals to 1 and minus 1. So x0 is this. Clear? So go to the solution. The solution of state equation, differentiation of xt equals to axt, is xt equals to phi t x of 0, where phi t is your e to the power at, or inverse Laplace transformation of phi s, or you may say the inverse Laplace transformation of Si minus A matrix inverse. As you see in the previous question, x of s equals to Si minus A inverse x of 0. This is your ZIR. This is for 0 input response. So if we take the inverse Laplace transformation, that is xt, which is the inverse Laplace transformation of this matrix into x of 0 as shown here, or you may write xt equals to e to the power at x0. Let us suppose the value of matrix A equals to A1, A2, A3, A4. From the state equation, differentiation of xt equals to A of xt. So we will take the first condition. If xt is given e to the power minus 2t and minus 2 e to the power minus 2t. Hence, if we differentiate this xt, so you will get minus of 2 e to the power minus 2t and 2 2s are 4, minus minus plus, so 4 e to the power minus 2t. And the initial state condition x0 is for here if t equals to 0, so here the value is 1 and here the value is minus 2, same as if t equals to 0 here, so value is minus 2, see here, and value is 4, see here. From the state equation, differentiation of xt equals to axt. If t equals to 0, it means differentiation x0 equals to ax0, so we will put the value. The differentiation of x0 is minus 2 4, value of a, and x0 is 1 minus 2, so simple we will get the linear equation. Linear equations are a1 minus 2a2 equals to minus 2 and a3 minus 2 a4 equals to 4. Same as from the second condition, xt is e to the power minus t and minus of e to the power minus t. Hence, differentiation of this e to the power minus t is minus of this, and minus minus plus e to the power t. By putting the value of t equals to 0, this value is for t equals to 0, it means 0 here. If e to the power minus 0 is 1, e to the power minus 0 again minus 1, same as here minus 1 and 1 if we will put t equals to 0. Again, from the state equation we will put the value. Differentiation of x0 matrix A and x0 value. Again we will find the two linear equations, a1 minus a2, a1 minus of a2 equals to minus 1, and same as a3 minus of a4 equals to 1. So we have four equations. So we will solve the value of a1, a2, a3, a4 by four linear equations. So value of a1 equals to 0 and value of a2 equals to 1 and value of a3 equals to minus 2 and value of a4 equals to minus 3. So the matrix A is your 0, 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is the solution of a question. The second problem is eigenvalue and eigenvectors. So simply D option is correct from the first question. The second question, the characteristic equation is defined as lambda I minus a equals to 0. So simply the value of lambda, identity matrix, A matrix, already we have calculated the value of A matrix. So simply lambda I minus a, so simply solve it, equals to 0. So lambda square plus 3 lambda plus 2 equals to 0. So the value of lambda equals to minus 1 and minus 2. These are the eigenvalue of the given matrix A, and we will calculate the eigenvectors. So the eigenvectors for lambda equals to minus 1, we will put the lambda equals to minus 1 in the Si minus A matrix. So you will get the value of lambda is minus 1 is given, 2 is given, and lambda equals to minus 1 plus 3, which is equals to 2. So you will get the value of lambda I minus a, where I equals to 1. So for finding the eigenvector, we will find the cofactor of any row. Suppose that cofactor of this row, second row. So the cofactor of this row equals to -1. Since this is your first column, second row, it means since cofactor is defined as -1 to the power I plus j and minor of the matrix. So I is your row and j is your column. So row is second and column is first. It means its power is odd, which is equals to minus of this. So the cofactor of 2 equals to -1 and the sign is minus, so minus minus plus, same as the cofactor of 2 is -1 and this is your second column, second row. It means there is no sign change because the value of I plus j is even. So the eigenvector for lambda equals to -2, we will put the value lambda equals to -2 in this equation. So you will get the value of this. Again we will find the cofactor of any row, then you will get the eigenvector for lambda equals to -2. Or you may say option A is correct. Option A is correct. It means for eigenvalue -1, the eigenvector is 1 -1, and for eigenvalue -2, the eigenvector is 1 -2. This is your option A. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.